Welcome to Tunity, the mobile app that allows you to listen to live, muted TV. Tunity is available in the App Store and Google Play Store and is free to download and use. Once downloaded, open up the app and create your free account. Before scanning, you'll be prompted to enable location services and camera access permissions. Tunity needs those to correctly identify the channel and timing of the program you want to listen to. Now you're ready to hear the TV. Align the entire TV screen in the blue box and hit the Scan button. If there are commercials on, wait to scan until the programming returns. Be sure to try to face the TV straight on. While you don't have to be directly in front of the TV, try not to scan from too big of an angle. Once the scan is complete, the app will take a few seconds to detect, sync, and stream the audio. To switch channels, repeat the scanning process, and you'll find all the channels you've scanned in your Quick Tune menu. Just tap on one to get the audio. Tunity works seamlessly on both Wi-Fi and 4G LTE connections. Don't worry, the service uses a very small amount of data since it only streams audio. You can use Tunity wherever TVs are muted or where there's too much ambient noise, like at gyms, airports, bars, restaurants, and waiting rooms. That's it. It's that simple. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.